How to add clickable link on YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the YouTube Studio option you see there. Now, in your YouTube Studio, from the left side toolbar, tap on the content option you see there, and you will be able to view all your videos. So go to the Shorts tab in order to view the shorts that you have posted, and then navigate to the video where you want to add clickable links. Now, tap on the edit option you see there and you will be able to make any kind of changes on your YouTube shorts. So simply go to the description tab and then paste the video link that you want to add into your YouTube shorts and then tap on the save changes option you see there. And with this, the clickable link will be added to your YouTube shorts. So this was about how you can add clickable link in YouTube shorts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.